Have you ever wondered what happens to your body if you eat a handful of blueberries every day? Did you know that blueberries top the list for antioxidant health benefits when compared to over 40 other fresh fruits and vegetables? Native Americans were the first to see the many uses and health benefits of blueberries, using them for medicine and as a natural flavoring. The many health benefits of blueberries come from its unique active compounds and properties. Blueberries contain high levels of anthocyanins, the natural pigments responsible for both their distinctive blue hue and their impressive health benefits. These powerful antioxidant compounds have been linked to improved cardiovascular health, enhanced cognitive function, better vision support, and numerous other wellness benefits. Recently, its popularity has shot up because studies have backed up many of these medicinal properties. In today's video, we'll uncover the scientific research behind blueberries' therapeutic properties. Stay with us as we wrap up with simple, practical ways and delicious recipes to add more blueberries to your daily diet. But first, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Do you consume blueberries every day? How do you enjoy them? What part of the world are you from? After you've watched the video, drop a comment below so we can get to know each other better. Discover now 8 powerful reasons why you should eat blueberries every day. 1. Help maintain brain function and improve memory. If you've been dealing with poor memory and brain fog, consider consuming blueberries as soon as possible. Research indicates that blueberries may support brain health and enhance memory function. The anthocyanins found in blueberries can penetrate the blood-brain barrier and concentrate in areas of the brain crucial for learning and memory processes. Scientific studies suggest these powerful compounds help shield brain cells from damage caused by free radicals, minimize inflammation, and facilitate better neural communication. Research from 2023 revealed that daily consumption of blueberry powder, roughly equal to 1 cup of fresh blueberries, may support cognitive health and enhance memory performance in seniors.
2. Lower cholesterol levels. Blueberries are rich in soluble fiber, which helps your body eliminate bile and regulate cholesterol levels, important for heart health. This fiber binds to cholesterol and other bile components, removing them through waste. A 2019 nutrient study found blueberries contain more fiber per cup than apples, strawberries, peaches, and plums. Since most Americans don't meet daily fiber requirements, 38 g for men under 50, 25 grams for women under 50, adding blueberries is an easy way to boost fiber intake and support cholesterol management. 3. Control blood sugar. Blueberries may support blood sugar control thanks to anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress and may improve insulin sensitivity. By enhancing the body's ability to regulate blood sugar, these compounds make blueberries a smart choice for individuals looking to manage glucose levels more effectively. In addition to their beneficial compounds, blueberries are naturally low in sugar and high in fiber. This fiber helps slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes in blood glucose. Including blueberries as part of a balanced diet can be especially helpful for people with diabetes or those aiming to maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. Studies show that the anthocyanins in blueberries can help improve insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. These anti-diabetes benefits have been noted with both fresh and freeze-dried berries. 4. Support heart health. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress caused by free radicals, particularly in the brain. Drinking blueberry juice has been linked to improved blood flow to the brain in healthy older adults and may aid in managing degenerative conditions. Regular consumption may also enhance memory and slow the aging of brain cells. Nutrient-rich, blueberries provide fiber, potassium, folate, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and beneficial phytonutrients, all of which contribute to cardiovascular health. Naturally cholesterol-free, they may also help lower total cholesterol levels in the blood. Vitamin B6 and folate play a key role in reducing homocysteine levels, a compound that can damage blood vessels and increase the risk of heart disease. Including blueberry juice in your daily diet may help reduce the likelihood of cardiovascular issues over time. May help protect your skin. Environmental factors such as pollution and ultraviolet UV radiation can take a toll on your skin, contributing to premature aging and damage over time. These stressors can weaken the skin's natural defenses and accelerate the breakdown of collagen and elastin. Blueberries are rich in powerful antioxidants that may help combat these effects. By neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation, they support the skin's resilience and promote a healthier, more balanced response to environmental damage. Regular consumption may contribute to a clearer, more youthful-looking complexion. 6. Supports digestion. Adding blueberries to your diet may lead to noticeable improvements in digestive health. They're a good source of dietary fiber, which supports regular bowel movements, helps prevent constipation, and promotes a lasting feeling of fullness, important for both gut health and weight management. Beyond fiber, blueberries may also benefit the balance of your gut microbiome. Studies suggest that consuming blueberries, especially in liquid form like juice or smoothies, can increase levels of bifidobacteria, a beneficial type of bacteria that aids in breaking down fiber and supporting overall digestive function. May promote eye health. Blueberries may support and protect your vision, thanks to their rich content of anthocyanins, plant compounds known for their antioxidant properties. These compounds help combat oxidative stress in the eyes, which can contribute to age-related vision problems. Research suggests that anthocyanins may reduce the risk of light-induced damage to the retina, the light-sensitive tissue at the back of the eye. By shielding retinal cells from harm, blueberries may help maintain healthy vision and slow the progression of certain eye conditions over time. Before we continue, I've got some exciting news to share. If you want to get more engaged, I'm excited to inform you that we now offer channel membership. As a member, you'll pay a small monthly fee and unlock some amazing perks like early access to new videos, priority replies to your comments, members-only shorts, polls, quizzes, and special emojis and loyalty badges just for you. It's a fantastic way to support the channel and connect with us even more. Just click the join button and let's make this experience even better together. Number 8. May help reduce muscle damage after exercise. Intense physical activity often leads to muscle soreness and fatigue, largely due to inflammation and oxidative stress within muscle tissue. Blueberries, rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, may help counteract this effect and support muscle recovery. Some research, including a small 2018 study, suggests that blueberry supplements can reduce inflammation, lessen muscle damage at the cellular level, and even enhance exercise performance. However, findings are still mixed, and more studies are needed to fully understand the extent of these benefits and how consistently they apply across different populations and types of exercise. How to consume blueberries. Blueberries are a tasty and nutritious fruit that can easily be added to your daily diet. Packed with fiber, vitamin C, and other essential nutrients, just 1 cup of blueberries provides a healthy boost with only 80 calories and minimal fat or sodium. Whether fresh or frozen, they help support gut health, keep you feeling full, and promote heart health. Their natural sweetness and low calorie count make them an ideal choice for a healthy snack or ingredient. There are many simple and creative ways to enjoy blueberries more often. Add them to smoothies for a nutritious blend. Toss them into salads for a sweet twist, or stir them into yogurt for extra flavor and protein. Blueberries also pair well with oatmeal and cereal, can be used in frozen treats or energy balls, and even make fun additions to drinks as ice cubes. No matter how you choose to eat them, blueberries offer a delicious way to eat healthier every day. What are the potential side effects and risks of blueberries? Blueberries are generally safe and highly nutritious for most people when eaten in typical food amounts. However, like all foods, they can have potential side effects or risks in certain situations. Allergic reactions. Some individuals may be allergic to blueberries. Symptoms: itching, swelling, hives, difficulty breathing, or anaphylaxis in severe cases. Digestive issues. Overconsumption can lead to bloating, gas, or diarrhea, especially if your diet is low in fiber and you suddenly increase intake. Sugar alcohols in dried blueberries. These may cause bloating or laxative effects. Blood sugar effects. Generally low glycemic index, but large amounts, especially in juices or smoothies, can raise blood sugar, which may be relevant for diabetics. Interaction with medications. Anticoagulants, e.g., warfarin. Blueberries contain vitamin K, which can affect blood clotting. Large or inconsistent intake may interfere with medication. Antiplatelet effects. Some animal studies suggest high blueberry intake might inhibit platelet aggregation, potentially increasing bleeding risk. Salicylate sensitivity. Blueberries contain natural salicylates, which can trigger symptoms, e.g. headaches, rashes, stomach issues, in those with salicylate sensitivity or intolerance. Pesticide residue. Conventionally grown blueberries may contain pesticide residues. Washing thoroughly or choosing organic can reduce this risk. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, and if you're concerned about your health, always consult your healthcare provider. If you found this video helpful, type yes in the comments box, give it a thumbs up, and consider sharing this information with your loved ones so they also will know all the blueberries benefits. For more insights on health and lifestyle, you might also find additional interesting videos popping up on your screen right now. Feel free to click on any of them. Or even better, watch both to continue your knowledge journey with us. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!